Hi everybody, today I'm going to be recording another video. And it's like, a trash bag review. I'm going to check this out I made. It's a tripod for my iPod. I just put my iPod in the middle like this. And it holds it pretty good. If you're wondering why I'm not wearing a shirt, sorry. Don't wonder. Don't ask. So yeah, now I can use both my hands. Yeah. Let's pop this open. We've been through this. And it's bird flu. If you want to take a snapshot right now, there it is. Take the snapshot now. Okay, I'll take a snapshot. What the heck? It flashed, right? Okay, so yeah, this guy is ultra rare. He kind of looks like, a snot or something like that. Snotty guy. He's ultra rare and he's like, see-through. Really cool. I like him. Actually, I don't care how rare they are. I don't care how rare they are. Just how they look. Kind of like BS Trouble. I don't care about rarity. Really cool looking guy. Even though he's rare, he's pretty cool. Even I like him. Not because he's rare, because he kind of looks cool. Look at that thing. Whatever. You shut down. Whatever. So yeah, that's my trash instead of iPod, trash pod. That's my tripod. So yeah. Don't forget to rate, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.